How to add hashtags to TikTok video. To get started, you first need to open the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to this homepage where you can view all the contents that are shared on TikTok. From this page, tap on the plus icon in the middle. TikTok will take you to its camera page. Now you need to hold the capture button to record a video. Once you are done, tap on the next button. On this page, tap on the hashtags option over here. Type the most trending hashtags here. Tap on the top result. You can also enter the hashtag symbol from the keyboard to add the hashtags. Once you are done, tap on the post button at the top right corner. Hashtags get your post more reach on TikTok. So by following these steps, you can easily add hashtags to TikTok video. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.